Welcome to my classroom. I'm Mr. Rectashel. I teach 7th grade English and 6th grade English. That means reading and writing. Those are two of my favorite subjects that I've ever had. However, it wasn't always that way. In fact, I keep something on my desk to remind me of when that was not the case. And it's a book. Some of you may recognize that book, and it's Harry Potter. It's the first Harry Potter book. However, to me, it's more than that. It's the first book that I ever really cared to read. And I didn't care to read it at first. At first, I actually said, "No, Mom, I'm not interested in that book. It's boring." And by boring, I meant I'd read the first 60 pages and thought that was enough to figure it out. However, at a certain point, my friends had started to read it and they said it was good. And that was all I needed. That second try, and I never stopped. I read all the way through, and I read all the rest of the books. Don't tell anyone, but I think I've read all the books about 7 or 8 times. That's just between us. Anyways, I'm here to tell you that that same passion that I found when I was in 6th grade, I haven't lost. I still have a passion for reading and writing. And I know how important it is as a 6th and 7th grader to find that as soon as possible. Well, anyways, enough with the fluffy stuff. Let's take ourselves a little tour through the room. All right, so this is my room. And yeah, we're going super fast. That's my calendar there. My bookshelves behind where I sit. My favorite Rubik's Cube and my Harry Potter book from 6th grade. Another angle of where I sit. And my second recording station. It's a little light board so I can draw in front of myself. And this is the wall of memories. Desks, which you may or may not sit in this year. And my backpack. All right, that's it. Well, that's all I've got for you. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing inside my classroom, a little behind the scenes of where I film for the videos for your class. And hope that you're excited for the year to start, just like I am. Until then, happy writing.